Ever walk away from a convo like, wait, did I just make that weird? Here's the cold truth. People decide if they like you in the first 7 seconds. But being likable? Not about being the funniest, smartest, or loudest in the room. It's about 3 tiny tweaks. No faking, no personality makeovers. Let's fix this. 1. The listen like this trick. You know those people who just get you? Here's their cheat code. They react to the stuff the other person says. Try this. Next convo, pause, then drop 1 word. Really? Whoa. Wild. That 1 word says, I hear you. You matter. Boom. You're now 73% more likable. Okay, not officially, but close. Number 2. The 2-second face fix. Your resting face might be betraying you. Science says we judge faces in milliseconds. And a neutral face? It reads as bored or slightly annoyed. Fix it with soft eyes plus slight smile. Eyebrows relaxed, hint of a grin, like you just saw a baby goat in pajamas. Bonus, maintain eye contact for exactly 2 seconds. If it's less than 2 seconds, it becomes awkward. If it's more than 2 seconds, you will look like a serial killer. 3. The vulnerability sweet spot. Want people to trust you? Stop trying to be perfect. Perfect equals forgettable. Imperfect equals relatable. Try this next time you are in a convo. I'm kind of nervous, but excited. Or, well, that didn't go as planned. Add a smile, a laugh, a little humanity. People don't bond with robots. They bond with real people. Here's your cheat sheet. 1. React with 1-word magic. 2. Soften that poker face. 3. Drop a tiny truth bomb. You don't need to impress people to connect with them. You just need to show up as you. Try one of these today and tell me in the comments, which one made someone warm up to you way too fast? Oh, and if this made you smile, hit like. It tells the algorithm I'm not just yelling into the void. See ya.